Welcome to the FarmSmart Insight channel. Chili peppers are among the most influential crops in global cuisine. From everyday home cooking to large-scale food manufacturing, chilies shape flavors across cultures and continents. Each year, the United States produces more than 2 billion pounds of chili peppers, supplying fresh markets, food factories, and iconic products like chili powder and hot sauces. Yet behind every spicy dish lies a complex journey, one that begins in fertile fields and ends on supermarket shelves worldwide. So how are chili peppers grown, cared for, harvested, and transformed into the products we use every day? Let's explore the full journey of chili peppers from seed to spice. Chili pepper cultivation is a carefully managed process that begins long before the first fruit appears on the plant. Everything starts with soil preparation. Chili plants thrive in loose, well-drained soil rich in organic matter, allowing roots to develop deeply and absorb nutrients efficiently. Seeds are first grown in modern nurseries, rather than directly in open fields. Inside these nurseries, temperature, humidity, and light are strictly controlled to create ideal germination conditions. This controlled environment dramatically increases germination rates and produces uniform, healthy seedlings. Transplanting is now largely mechanized on large farms. Automatic transplanting machines place each seedling into the soil with precision, keeping the root ball intact and minimizing transplant shock. Plant spacing is carefully programmed, typically between 30 and 50 centimeters depending on the chili variety. Proper spacing ensures good airflow, optimal sunlight exposure, and efficient nutrient uptake. Water management is critical throughout the growing cycle. Most chili farms rely on drip irrigation or controlled sprinkler systems, delivering consistent moisture while preventing waterlogging. Fertilization is adjusted based on plant growth stages. Nitrogen supports vegetative growth, phosphorus aids root development, and potassium plays a key role in flowering and fruit formation. Farmers monitor plant health closely, adjusting nutrient supply to maintain balanced growth. Pest and disease control is an ongoing task. Integrated management strategies combining biological controls, safe pesticides, and careful monitoring help protect crops while minimizing environmental impact. This stage ultimately determines plant vigor, yield stability, and fruit quality. Chili peppers typically reach harvest maturity 2 to 3 months after planting, depending on variety and growing conditions. Ripe chilies are identified by their vibrant color, often bright red, signaling peak flavor and quality. On large commercial farms, harvesting is supported by specialized machinery. Mechanical harvesters gently shake or impact the plants, causing ripe peppers to fall without damaging the fruit. Built-in conveyor systems immediately collect the chilies and transfer them into transport vehicles. Smart sensors help reduce crop loss by monitoring harvest efficiency and minimizing damage. However, mechanical harvesting can sometimes collect peppers that are not fully ripe, making additional sorting and quality control essential. On smaller farms and for premium fresh markets, manual harvesting remains the preferred method. Experienced workers carefully select each chili by hand, ensuring only mature, undamaged peppers are harvested. Although labor-intensive, this approach guarantees higher quality for fresh consumption. Once chili peppers are harvested, They move rapidly into post-harvest handling and processing systems designed to preserve flavor, color, and food safety. Fresh chilies are transported from the fields to processing facilities as quickly as possible. Upon arrival, they undergo thorough washing to remove dirt, dust, and field residues. High-pressure water systems and rotating washers ensure that the peppers are clean without damaging their skins. After washing chilies pass through sorting lines, automated sorting machines separate peppers based on size, color, and visual quality, while human inspectors remove damaged or underripe fruit. High-quality peppers move forward in the processing chain, while lower-grade produce. Drying is one of the most important processing stages, especially for chili powder and dried chili products. In many regions, traditional sun drying is still widely used. Chilies are spread evenly on trays or canvas under direct sunlight, allowing moisture to evaporate naturally. This method preserves flavor, reduces energy consumption, and extends shelf life. Once dried chilies are brought indoors for further processing, stems and seeds are removed, often accounting for around 30% of the original fruit weight. The dried chilies are then ground using industrial milling machines. These grinders produce fine, uniform powder, which is further refined through sieving systems to remove impurities. Magnetic separators are used to eliminate any metal particles, ensuring strict food safety standards. Quality control is continuous throughout this stage, with samples tested for moisture content, color, heat level, and cleanliness before packaging. Chili peppers are transformed into a wide range of final products that serve global markets. Chili powder is one of the most common finished forms. It is packaged in moisture-proof, airtight containers, designed to preserve aroma, color, and spiciness. This product is widely used in home cooking, restaurant kitchens, and industrial food manufacturing. Beyond powders and sauces, chilies are sold fresh, dried whole, or processed into flakes, pastes, and extracts. These products are used in seasoning blends, marinades, ready-to-eat foods, and even pharmaceutical and cosmetic applications due to chili's active compounds. Each final product reflects the decisions made throughout cultivation, harvesting, and processing, ensuring consistent heat, flavor, and quality for consumers worldwide. Behind every chili pepper is the work of farmers, machine operators, factory workers, and quality inspectors. Farmers plan planting schedules and manage crops under unpredictable weather conditions. Harvest crews operate machinery or work by hand to ensure quality. Factory workers oversee cleaning, drying, grinding, and packaging with precision. This collaboration between human expertise and modern technology keeps the chili industry efficient, sustainable, and globally competitive. From fertile fields to factory floors, the journey of chili peppers is a story of precision, innovation, and tradition. Each pepper carries the heat of the sun, the care of farmers, and the efficiency of modern processing. As global chili production continues to grow, led by countries like India, China, and the United States, this humble crop remains a cornerstone of world cuisine. The next time you enjoy a spicy dish, remember the journey behind that flavor, from seed to spice and from farm to table.